Hey guys, we're Nate and Mount, and this is our international love adventure. One Dutchie and one American traveling around the world in our custom-built home on wheels. We started simple in the back of a Toyota Tundra, quarantined in the beauty of the American West, and loved it so much we decided to build our very own van. This week we're back in Miami meeting with friends for the first time since the van is finished, and we can't wait to reconnect and show them our new home.
Time to see your other friends. They are here already. Is it open?
Holy shit.
Uh-huh.
It's such a good job.
I know, Ryan. It worked so
I
long.
watched the whole time. I was like,
Yeah, let me get out of the way. I'll let you guys
Yeah.
check it out.
Yeah.
I gotta fix this drawer.
I love it.
This thing like rotates around so you can have your cocktails outside if you want. You can rotate this over here and like sit on the love seat over here.
what is this storage? You got
Yeah,
storage
there's
under
two
there?
drawers
Yeah,
underneath.
storage.
Big storage under here.
Yep, that's the garage, so you can
Yeah,
access
you
the whole
go-
garage in there. Up all the cabinets,
Cabinets, there's things in there.
got a little magnetic
Thank
spice rack.
you.
That's the kitchen.
I love this.
Just Amazon.
Smart.
Yeah.
That's our knife rack, but we obviously take the knife.
A few moments later.
I think I forgot everything to film with the whole group because we had so much fun.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just said goodbye to a part of our Arizona friends. They're gonna take the plane back to Arizona, and we're gonna go to pick up two people of the group to go to Key West. We're here.
So, this is what my mornings look like most of the time. And this is what Mount's mornings look like. Isn't she cute? Hi, babe.
I
You getting extra sleep today?
didn't sleep all night.
You didn't sleep all night?
No,
What'd you do?
listening to the cars.
Oh, why?
Don't like it.
Is that because we slept in a parking lot?
I think so.
So we're staying at a hotel, sort of. We're in the parking lot though. So we're at Havana Cabana. Oh, nice. Boop. Thanks, babe. I'm almost done with my work. And then we get to go outside and play. So we're at this hotel in Key West, and all of the power is out on the whole island.
So the whole power is gone.
Yeah, so
You
there's
can
no
make coffee, food, anything.
no food, no bars, no nothing. Everything is closed. So thank God we have the van.
We're the only one with power.
Yeah, we're the only ones with power. Go solar. Apparently a sailboat, whatever, not flew, sailed under the 7 Mile Bridge and hit a power line somehow. No idea, must be a super tall sailboat. And yeah, now we're powerless.
I don't know what to do right now.
Yeah, but
Lay on the beach.
yeah, good thing you don't need power at the beach.
Yeah, good. Yeah. You can do it. I did see the sunset. I just wanted to show you, but I went just to TJ Maxx to get something for the van to organize all this shit. And this, because it's a mess. I don't know, we have enough now, but it's a start. Also, we have to clean this whole other mess because Misty here went secretly to Wendy's. Put on.
Needed something trashy.
I see it.
Yep.
Because this was our last day here. And tomorrow we fly to Phoenix. We gotta do something exciting because the last step for my green card will happen. Don't touch your dirty fingers to my skirt. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Because we're gonna have an interview with the American Embassy.
We're gonna make Mount official.
And they're gonna ask us questions if we are fraud or not.
Yeah, they have to find out if we're like a real couple. So we've been studying really hard to make sure we know.
His favorite color is
everything.
blue.
Wait.
Well,
One favorite animal on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dog.
Favorite,
very easy.
Favorite color?
Blue.
We just picked all the
Both.
same answers. We were like, you know what? Let's not make this difficult. We'll pick everything the same. Boom.
They probably think that's
Favorite dinosaur? Brontosaurus.
I don't know anything about dinosaur.
Oh, come on.
I didn't live yet.
What's the big mean dinosaur? T-Rex.
T-Rex, yeah.
You know T-Rex.
Let's
They
talk
have that in
about
Dutch too, right?
yeah. Let's talk about something from my age.
Dinosaurs? What is that, from my age? Come on. What the?
Sorry.
Wow. Wow. That's some
They really
yeah,
think.
things you don't know about me. I'm 350 million years old. And I use great skin cream. That's the only trick. You just gotta moisturize.
I love old men.
Yeah.
If we say the same answers on everything, they probably think
They
we're
probably
fraud.
think we're fake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have different things.
No, we have seriously
But I mean, like,
the same
really.
color.
I mean, yeah, same
That's
color.
where you connect.
Blue,
I was
what,
like, blue?
what other colors are there?
I don't know.
There aren't any other
Blue.
colors. Blue. Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
We'll let you know how it goes. I think
One-
we're gonna ace the exam, but we're gonna cram tonight. Study extra hard.
And we have one shot.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, let's see what it looks like today. Hey, parking lot. Hey, babe. She's
Hi.
packing.
Look at the sunrise over there.
Coming. Minus the noise. Oh, wow.
To prepare for landing, please cross your tray table and bring your seats to the
Okay, so we dropped our stuff off real quick. And we eat something, and now we're gonna pick up our part-time dog.
Yay, Ripley.
Ripley! I'm so excited.
I haven't seen Ripley for 6 months.
Me neither.
This
I'm
is gonna be
excited
so
to
crazy.
see if she's gonna
I
like.
know, I want to see
Getting
if she goes
crazy.
absolutely nuts.
Yeah,
She better.
she better do. I know. I'm excited. Ripley! Hey, Ripley's! Ripley's!
You.
That's alright.
Hey, Ripley's!
We'll take it.
We didn't talk for 6 months. Hello!
It might be the masks too.
Yeah. I
Still
think
don't know
so.
who we are.
And we travel, so maybe the shit doesn't
Can we borrow this
smell.
leash?
Yeah,
Cool.
Baby.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Wild dog. Ripley?
I think
She knows anything.
we think she's not happy to see us. Or she don't recognize us.
She doesn't seem to
She's
care.
like, yo, what's up?
She's like, yeah, I'm looking out the window. Huh. Where am I going? This is boring. Where do I need to go? Where's my real master? And you stink, you stinky wet dog.
You're a
You're
stinky
a
dog.
stinky wet. You need another bath.
Oh. Rippers!
Maybe she knows she stinks and she's ashamed of herself.
I think so. Oh, we have a jet lag. It's actually midnight for us, but now, what time is it here? 8:30? 8:30. It feels like midnight because in Florida it's midnight. We just practiced everything for our interview tomorrow, which is gonna be hopefully fun and just easy. We talked through what we would love to have for breakfast, but we don't eat breakfast. This is the status. Nate even doesn't want to talk anymore, so let's call it a day. So I'm gonna flip the house for Airbnb guests. Just have a little bit of laundry from the last guests. So I started with this room, and ta-da! There's a bathroom I have to clean. Ta-da! This room. All the forms. So much stuff. With the birth certificate and our marriage. Ready?
Ready.
Last step of our before my green card is gonna happen. So we're driving to the USCIS now, which is the United States Immigration Service. We're gonna have an interview as we told, and hopefully after this I get my travel document.
That seems naked, but
We're not gonna say that. What else? You sleep on the left side, I sleep on the right side. We had to prepare us with all those kind of questions. When did we meet? Where did we meet? What was our first dates like?
what was the proposal like?
Yeah, what did we do on our wedding day? What did we eat? Who was there?
Should we answer like why we don't have wedding rings?
Because we don't care?
Correct.
Or we didn't have the money?
I'm gonna go with don't care.
Yeah.
Let's
We don't
go-
care.
Let's go with we're not broke.
But we're just gonna be honest and open and just tell our memories, because that's all that matters. So
Here we go.
here we go. How do you say that? Wish us luck? Wish us luck?
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck.
I think we passed.
I think we passed too.
Maria's getting a green card in a few weeks.
I know. I'm in shock, kind of. That was faster than I thought.
Yeah, babe. Hold that. Alright. Surprised.
So we just had dinner with a couple of friends here in Arizona, and now it's time again to fly back to Miami. Yesterday evening we arrived here and now we fly back again. Believe me, it's not quite what you want, but not complaining. But we're tired. Excited to be back in the van. I have one day nothing. So waiting for Uber and then go to the airport. What time is it?
3:30 in the morning. Guess what I see? I see a big old van over here. Who's that, Jenny? Who's that, Jenny? There she is. How many?
4 miles.
I don't
3
think I
hours
was.
sleep in the plane and this felt like avondvierdaagse.
Oh, what?
Vierdaagse. It's a long walk in Dutch.
Yeah, it's a long walk in English too. Let's see if everything we own is still in it. Oh boy, the moment of truth. Oh, hello there, van.
Oh, baby.
Our baby's alive. Everything's intact.
Don't tell a secret spot.
Yeah, this very secret spot in the garage. Whoa, what a hiding place in a door.
Yeah, you know, garages. Oh, yeah. We're sleeping on the parking lot from the airport. Bye. We just slept on the parking lot on the airport. That's quite hilarious. Look. Oh nee.
Oh, lobster roll.
Can it be better? Nope. Oh my god. So many cool views. Whoop. And there's more. There's a lot of light, but I just wanted to say, we are just saying to each other how lucky we are to travel, especially in this time of the year, to be in Miami on a rooftop and having this view and each other and a van. We just finished and we're healthy. We have the best friends and family.
And basically not have a plan, and it just keeps working out.
Yeah, we didn't have one plan. Thank you
so much. Perfect.
And we called this rooftop and it was fully booked. So we were like, we just go and
Just walk
see.
in.
Yeah, we can walk in and it all worked out. And
We got the best table in the house,
Yeah.
right on the railing,
Met just-
overlooking the city. Met an awesome couple, talked to
awesome
them.
couple the whole
Yeah.
evening. And yeah,
awesome.
we just wanted to say we're so happy.
Feel grateful, very
Feel
grateful. Yeah,
And we're enjoying our food right now.
yeah.
Lobster
Cheers.
roll. Cheers!
You're gonna be officially a U.S. citizen, or sorry, a legal permanent resident. Can you stop petting my face? Get out off of me!
I wanted to say